To be able to use auto completion in React, we need a plugin called Emmet. So for example, if I type p.hello, it should autocomplete and create a paragraph with the class of hello. So let's install the plugin now. So it's Emmet, like this, Emmet. So the one that we need is mad through Emmet, and then just install this plugin. Okay, after installation, let's see if it's working. p.hello, still not working. So we need to do something. We need to run the script to make sure it runs. Go to settings, JSON file, and then we're going to edit here. We're going to run a script here. So it's Emmet dot include languages, like this. Emmet dot include languages. In here we're going to include JavaScript. Yep. And then it's JavaScript React. Just go React. If you want to add TypeScript, you can just put a comma here and just add TypeScript here. For now, we just need JavaScript, and then save, and then reload the text editor. And then when you come back inside React, you can do p.hello. See, now it's working. Nav.navbar, it's working now. There's auto completion. So if I do lorem ipsum lorem, let's say 10, it's working. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you next time.